Hello everyone, in this large language model tutorial we explain how to uninstall Ollama and how to erase LLM models on Linux systems. In particular, in this tutorial we explain how to do these steps for Linux Ubuntu system. However, everything explained in this tutorial can be used for other Linux distribution. The main question is, why would you like to uninstall Ollama? Well, sometimes this is necessary if for some reason Ollama stops working properly, or if you want to install a newer version or perform a clean install of the newer version. The challenge with uninstalling Ollama as well as similar Linux program is that files and packages are scattered around various Linux folders. Furthermore, by installing Ollama, we will not automatically erase all the model folders that can be extremely large, sometimes in the order of hundreds of gigabytes or if not even a terabyte. Okay, so let's uninstall Ollama from my system. First of all, click here and start a terminal. Here it is. Then I'm going to resize this terminal such that you can see what I'm typing, and at the same time you can follow this manual over here. First of all, I'm going to install plocate. Plocate is a very useful command line tool that can be used to search folders as well as files in the Linux system. So why do I use plocate? Well, plocate is much faster than other tools. So let's install plocate. So let's type this sudo apt update and let's enter password. And then after that, let's also upgrade. These two steps are very important whenever you want to install something. So let's type sudo apt upgrade. Okay, so let's press yes, and that's it. So let's be patient over here. To install sudo, or actually to install plocate, you just need to execute this command, and that's it. Simple as that. So let's do that. And after you install plocate, make sure that you create a database of all the files and folders in your system. For that purpose, you need to call the update db, where db is a database. Good. Now we can use plocate. Okay, here for test, let's search all the files and folders that contain Ollama, and let's press enter. Bang! Look what happens here. It's amazing. So where Ollama stores files and what are the files and folders? You can see in etc, home, in user, share, etc. Ollama everywhere. However, here I also have Docker installed on my system, so these files do not count. Okay, so let's briefly explain what are these folders. First of all, you will see this folder, user local bin Ollama. This is the installation folder of Ollama. And this can be confirmed by simply typing which Ollama. And this folder will be returned. So the binaries are here. Then, let's see where the models. The models are actually over here in this folder. Then you will see another hidden folder. This folder contains some configuration and history files, and then also you will see this folder which contains some Ollama service files. So to uninstall Ollama, first of all you need to execute these sets of commands. That is, first you need to stop Ollama, type this, then disable Ollama. Okay, then let's erase this file. Okay, next we need to remove the Ollama binary and installation files, and we can do it like this. This is a very interesting command, and here we are actually combining two commands. We are simply typing sudo rm and we are specifying the path of Ollama. Now we have erased the binaries of Ollama. However, the story doesn't end up here. In the next step, we need to remove the model files that can occupy a significant space on our local disk. So let's erase the model files like this. And this command should erase a lot of files and release a lot of space on your disk. Now, here we still need to proceed further. Once we have erased these files, let's update our database so we can use plocate again, and let's run plocate, and let's locate everything containing Ollama, and let's continue with erasing files. Okay, so what do we need to remove? We need to remove service and user groups. That will come next. However, you can also see that here on home I have some files that need to be removed. On desktop I have these files. These are actually the files related to this video tutorial, and I'm not going to touch them. However, I want to erase this folder here with these libraries. So everything here should be erased until here. But before we do that, let's first remove service and user groups by typing this command, and then let's erase this one also. Okay, and next let's erase this hidden file, and let's continue further. So what do we need to erase? We need to erase this folder or this file, rm-rf, and here we need to specify what we want to erase. Then we need to erase this folder, that is this folder over here. So let's copy it and let's type it rm-rf and then the name of the folder. Okay, now why we cannot remove? Well, because you need to do sudo. This is very important, right? Okay, and finally let's again update the database, and then again let's locate Ollama to see, do we still have something related to Ollama? No, everything is being removed, and that's it. Now you can start clean installation Ollama by following the tutorial that I created, and you can find a link to that tutorial in the description below this video. And as a final comment, on my YouTube channel you can find more than 900 free video tutorials covering different topics such as machine learning, robotics, software engineering, mathematics, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and mechatronics. You can, for example, go to the web page and you can click on playlists and you will see all the playlists. Recently, I have spent a lot of time creating video tutorials on large language models, as well as tutorials on robot operating system. You can check all of them over here.